What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Young Picnic Table, and this is a Gateron Cap. This is what it sounds like. Ew. Gross. Yeah, scratchy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get rid of that scratchiness.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
P.S. He can't. No, but seriously, you guys may be sitting there asking, Richard, how is this switch so scratchy? Well, a lot of reasons, a plethora, for lack of better words. To start, the stem and the spring is gigantic, humongous, huge. What's the word I'm looking for?
Diplodocus.
Now there's nothing wrong with going bigger. You know what I'm saying? But in this case, there's everything wrong with going bigger. They shouldn't have gone bigger. No, they should have stayed. They should have stayed at ground level. Should have stayed right. But no, the spring and stem is absolutely humongous, absolutely huge. I don't understand why they made them bigger. Maybe to accommodate for the whole cap thing that they have going on. The cap being, I'm assuming, the stem sitting over the bottom housing stem like a hat would sit over your head. This quote unquote factory lube that they say they apply to the switch, is it good application? Is it smooth application? Do some switches have a lot of lube and others have zero? If the answer was yes to all of those questions, you, my friend, just got yourself a Gateron Cap. In the scratch department, this switch is not hitting. In the sound department, we'll get to that one later. But let me just say that thought be thawking. But yeah, I can say if you do lube this switch with any and all lubes, it will still remain scratchy. Unfortunately, there's just no way around it. That's just how this cookie crumbles. And if you put too much lube, more specifically in the stem housing, there will be farts. I don't know any other way of putting it. Not to say I would highly consider you applying your own lube for sure, 1 billion trillion%, because like I said, the factory job is abysmal, terrible, awful. It's very splotchy, so do you need to clean it off? I don't know. You can clean it off if you want. I personally didn't clean off every single switch because the lube job was just, that poor that I could just add my own. It was okay. Not to say Gateron are the worst lubing people. No, it just wasn't consistent. So it was fine with just adding my own over the top. And I use thick lube, so it was fine. It mixed in okay. I will say that this is not all doom, death, and gloom. There is daffodils and dandelions on the other side of this road. And those daffodils and dandelions, like I said earlier, is that thawk. Boy, can these things thawk if lubed correctly. Sheer bliss, absolute poetry. Like, are y'all hearing this? The smoothness? My man's is about to start a fire with all this heat.
Art thou feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Yes. Yes, we are. Man, so clean. I like that watch. It's a nice watch. Dope rings, dude. It's just so clean. But no, I believe that the tight housing actually contributes to this thockiness. The housing is extremely tight. I can say it's tight enough to where film doesn't really affect it. You guys can let me know in the comments, because I couldn't really tell the difference when I filmed it. But I can say lubed, it does develop a deeper, thockier sound than out of the box. And I also can say using a thicker lube also helps with that deeper, thockier sound, especially in the milky variant. Thock Supreme. So yeah, I don't really know who these switches are made for. Maybe a macro pad, maybe big, maybe like I don't know. I wouldn't use this as a daily driver alpha switch. Absolutely not, no way, shape, form, or fashion. If you do believe that is the case, just
Stop it.
stop and rethink. You know, take a second, step back,
Get some help.
you know, and get another switch. Just kidding. No, but seriously, I do think the switches aren't too bad. I'm pretty sure paired with the right, set of keycaps, the scratch will be minimal. Maybe. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments of the Gateron caps. Do you think they should stop the cap, or, wear that cap proudly, as a young cat? Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the cap. See ya.